do? What do you want make I do? Should I just sit and watch him steal everything that rightfully belongs to us? No way. No way, Mama. No way.
Hello, Mr. Baba and Miss Pamela. Are we good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm watching. I don't want to open my mic because I have lots of.
Oh, you're not participating with us. You're just watching.
It's not that I just because I have
Oh, okay, yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, I've not downloaded mine yet.
Are you serious? Oh. Okay.
Yeah, good evening, Cassie.
Yeah,
this is Francis.
Yeah. I can see it.
Thanks for the PDF. I was able to play around today. I was a little bit free. I was able to play around.
All right. So you understood something here, right?
Yes, I got to understood. I understood co-spam, the row spam, div. I got to play along with how to manipulate them, and a little bit of inline styling.
Okay.
I played with.
The thing there is that actually this makeup class, I don't think class. So our actual class will start by 8 p.m. and because Miss Pamela actually said she doesn't have ZAMP system. And Mr. Baba is not participating fully in the class, he's just watching. So I don't think I'll continue the class. So it will be a total waste of time. So we'll just forget about this class, and our actual class starts by 8. Because I actually posted everything in the group, what people should download and get ready for the meeting or for the class. Miss Chinyere, were you part of the class yesterday?
Is not an option.
It will not end well for you. I don't even.
Please, Mr. Francis, I think what you're watching is echoing.
Okay.
Yeah. Miss Chinyere, were you part of the class yesterday?
I wasn't part of the class. I told you what happened. I was on the road, so I was not able to.
So,
but I told you that my laptop is not here right now.
Oh,
but let me pay attention and maybe get
all right. Okay, no problem. This is it. The actual meeting, the actual class starts by 8, so you can join that one. Okay. So, Mr. Francis actually recorded the class of yesterday and he posted it in the group. So just follow the link and check it out. You see whatever we did there. Okay. All right.
So Kaswini.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So what I said was I just wanted to be observing. I'm part of the class, but I did not wanted much interference from my end to disturb the class.
Okay, I actually wanted to know because the reason why I'm doing this class is to make up for those that wasn't part of it yesterday. And if those, I'm seeing some level of unseriousness, I think I won't have to continue the class because Miss Pamela, she was actually one of the people that made me want to do this. We started talking from Twitter, but I was actually disappointed. She telling me she doesn't have ZAMP in her system. Okay, so you said you're participating in the class, right?
Yeah, I'm participating in the class. I watched the video of yesterday. I was like in and out of yesterday's class.
Yeah.
And I got to
you were able to follow from the video, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you understood what we did there.
perfectly everything.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much for that. But you have XAMPP installed on your PC, right?
Yeah, always.
Okay, and you know how to put a website folder inside the HTTP folder in your XAMPP.
You sure?
Do you know how to create a website project inside your XAMPP folder?
Yeah, it was in yesterday's class now, right?
Yeah. If you actually in the video, it wasn't complete in that video. It wasn't actually in that video that was posted because I watched the video. I don't know if it was there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe you can run me that process.
So let me take you through that process. So do you have this XAMPP screen right now? Do you have this XAMPP screen? Do you have this on
Yes,
you have this on
yes,
your desktop now?
Yes.
Have you started it? You see something like start here. Have you started it? Like something like this. Click on it. Start your Apache and your MySQL.
Okay, just 1 minute. Okay. Sure. Why is asking for updates?
No, don't update it. You can continue. Is it the update? Is it a must? Can you skip it?
I already clicked okay.
That stuff will take time. I don't know if it's gonna take time.
Oh shit.
It's gonna take time.
I don't think it's taking time because I think I opened it like last week.
Yeah.
So I don't think it will take time.
You know how to share your screen with Zoom, right?
Yeah, I have Zoom, but not for.
Okay, it's fine. Do you have AnyDesk on your system?
Sir?
Do you have a software called AnyDesk? Look at it here. This software. Do you have it on your system?
AnyDesk?
Yeah. Look at my screen. Look at where my cursor is pointing. Do you have this software on your system?
No, I don't have.
All right. Now these are all the things I wanted us to have installed. With AnyDesk, I'll be able to help you out fix any problem you're having on your system from here.
Oh, wow.
So I wanted it to be a very interactive class whereby if you're having issues, I can stay here and fix it for you so that you follow up with the class. To just be like a normal classroom, but this will be from the comfort of everyone's home. But the normal, I don't know, it may be like the normal, it's all good,
It has come on.
Okay, it has come on.
But my Apache is showing yellow.
Yeah, don't worry, it will change to green very soon. What of your MySQL? Has it started?
Yeah, SQL has started.
All right, so go to your browser, open your Chrome browser.
Yeah.
Now, if you open your Chrome browser, in the tab, type localhost. Can you see my screen? Just type localhost like this.
On Chrome, huh?
Yeah, on Chrome, type localhost.
Okay. Oh.
Have you done that?
I'm coming. Let me mute this. My God.
Hello, Miss Chinye. Why are you discussing about wedding with us?
Sorry, it's not me. It's somebody. It's my mom that's talking.
My regards to her.
Okay.
Mr. Baba, are we good?
Yeah, just 1 minute.
You're connected with your PC and your phone at the same time. Miss Pamela, are you there? Hello, Miss Pamela.
Yes, I'm here, but why not everybody mute their own stuff then? Maybe when you want.
You know, it's gonna be an interactive class, okay? So I want everybody to feel free to communicate at once. You understand? You know, once your mic is muted, if I ask a question, you have to go and unmute yourself before you answer me.
Yeah,
it takes a lot of time.
I get but it's just the.
Yeah, so I'm here.
All right. So, Miss Pamela, you just be watching us now.
So if I should type localhost, what would I see?
Just type localhost and press enter on your screen. You're supposed to see something like this. Can you see this?
Yes.
All right. We are good to go. At this point, we are good to go. Okay. So open your Sublime Text. Let's get started.
Okay.
Okay.
Open your Sublime Text. Like, where is it?
Click on. You installed Sublime, right?
Yeah, same. Yeah.
No. Okay.
Well, hello. Yeah. Why you were in a group, right?
Yes.
You don't
I've not installed. Wait, I've not installed them. I told you now.
Okay. Yeah, you were asking now.
I just want to learn.
Yeah.
Right now, I want to learn and all that. So when I get my laptop, I'll be able to practice it.
It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. It's something easy. It's fine. I'm recording. Oh, yeah, I'm recording this class, so I can actually send the video in the group. All right. So, Mr. Baba. Mr. Baba, are you with me?
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm with you.
Are we starting afresh again?
No, we are not starting afresh. We are just making up a class for those that were not here yesterday. So,
okay.
Yeah. So, Mr. Baba, go to, okay, press Windows E, Windows button and E on your system. Are you using a Mac? You're using a Mac or a normal PC?
Normal.
Okay. So if you press Windows E, you see a screen like this. Which Windows are you using? Windows 10 or Windows
10?
Windows 10. Okay. Click on this PC. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Click on this PC. Now go to local disk C. Yes. Have you done that? Now scroll down. You see a folder called XAMPP. Open it.
Yes.
Inside that folder, go to htdocs. Open it.
Yes.
Now inside here, this is any website you ever want to build. You always create the folder inside here. So for this class, we are going to create a folder called web class. Okay. So go to new and click folder and call it web_class. So I already have that folder here. So but just click yours, web class. Have you done that?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So you can now go back to your XAMPP. Now, inside your XAMPP, you're on your XAMPP, right?
Yeah.
So click on File. Click
File
on
XAMPP.
Yeah, you see at the top.
XAMPP or
sorry, go to your Sublime Text. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sublime Text. Click on File. Click Open Folder.
Yeah.
Then locate that folder. Remember, click on this PC.
XAMPP, htdocs.
Yeah, XAMPP, htdocs.
Web class.
Then web class. Yeah, locate the folder.
Okay.
I like people like you. You're following up. You're grabbing very fast. Yesterday's class, I explained this stuff like 3 times.
Mado.
I swear, I'm telling you. You follow for
just select folder.
Yeah, just select the folder and click open or select, something like that.
Okay.
Have you done that?
Yeah.
So you are in that folder now. So right click on that folder.
Yes.
And click new file.
Okay.
Now Ctrl S. Save it as index.html. Can you see my screen?
Sure, yeah, done.
Yeah, index.html. So we are good to go now. You're in index.html, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so let me see how many people are with us. Okay, we have 4 people with us, all right. So we are going to be fast about this class, a bit fast. So now, as far as HTML is concerned, as far as website is concerned, as far as any website you've ever seen in your life is concerned, HTML is the language that backs up any website. Any website must start with HTML, okay?
Yeah.
All right. So in any HTML document, you must always get the HTML document structure. Wow, we are running out of time. So once this meeting ends, I'll drop another link to join so that we continue, because I'm still using the free Zoom. I have to upgrade to like $149 a year for me to be using meeting without limit, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so we have to be using the free one for now, in 40 minutes. So what you now have to do is to type doctype. Oh, having a call. Type doctype and press tab on your keyboard. Doctype. Sorry. Type HTML and press tab on your keyboard.
Okay.
Have you done that?
Yeah.
What did you see?
Everything HTML here, title.
Yeah, that's good. So now this is what we call HTML document structure. For you to build any website, you must first of all bring out this document structure. I know you can't see my screen. Wait, let me increase my.
I'm seeing your screen.
Very well.
Yeah, sure.
So you have to, for you to build any website, this is what you get first, okay?
Sure.
This is what we get. So once you have gotten this, we can now start building a website, okay?
Yeah.
Now, write something here, write web design class here, save it, and go to your browser. Let's see. Okay, just write it first. If you've done that, let me know.
Okay.
Web design class. Save it, Control S.
Open with Chrome, but
yeah, just check your Chrome is already open, right?
Yeah.
Now, so just write localhost / the name of that folder we created. What's the name?
Web underscore class.
Now type web underscore class and press enter. Let's see.
/ Abi?
Just localhost / web underscore class. Yeah. Press enter if you've done that. Have you done that?
Yeah.
What are you seeing?
The name of the tab is web design class.
Very correct. Now, anything you ever want to see on your website, like on the tab, anything you want to see on the tab, it is
on the title.
Yeah, it's in the title. Let me keep this guy. This guy. I'm looking for a way to minimize the screen. It's all good. So let's continue.
Yeah.
Now we are back to our body. Now, any website you see, can you hear me?
Yeah.
All the things you're seeing on your browser are contained inside this body. Inside this body, you're seeing.
Okay.
So, for instance, let's say H1 and say my name is. So use your own name, save it, and check and go back to that page and refresh. Just Control arrow to reload.
Yeah, my name is Joshua.
So you have seen it, right?
Yeah.
So anything whatsoever that you're seeing, like let me see this guy. I think I have, who is this guy? Uh-oh. Coming. So for instance, we have, now you see all these stuff you're seeing here, they are all inside the body. All the stuff you're seeing, they are all inside the body. Are we good?
Okay.
All right, they are all inside the body. All right, so let's continue. So today, from our lesson yesterday, we talked about HTML document structure, which we have just done. We talked about doc type. Okay, now you see this doc type you're seeing here. Hello?
Sure, I'm seeing it.
So this doc type tells the browser the version of HTML you're using. So what you are seeing here now, what you just saw, doc type HTML, is telling this browser that we are using HTML5. This is the doc type for HTML5. Now, the PDF I sent yesterday to the group, if you have studied it, you see other versions of doc type for HTML4, HTML 2.0 strict, HTML1. But HTML5 is the latest HTML, so that's what I'm teaching you guys, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so that is for doc type. Then we also talked about the heading tags. So if you see what I did now, I used H1. So do something like this. H1, heading 1, H2, heading 2, H3, heading 3, H4, heading 4, H5, heading 5, H6. So
yeah, I'm doing same.
Yeah, once you're done, save it and check your browser, reload your browser. Okay, yeah, have you done that?
Yes.
What do you see?
It's the heading size is reducing.
All right. Now, you know when you were writing notes when you were in secondary school?
Yes.
You know the topic you write it very bold. So once someone opens the note, you know that this is the topic. It's very bold, okay?
Yes.
Now, same thing is applicable to web designing. Now, I will show you the project I'm working on, and you see something. Let me log out from this guy. Sign out. All right, come back here. Now, what's the first thing you saw on this page?
We think it will create it just how we want it.
You get it now. This is because we want you to see this first. This is the catchy phrase of this website. So it is supposed to be written in H1, and H1 is what we use in writing that. So let me see. Let me inspect this site now. View page source. You see. Let me view page source. Have you seen this? Can you see this, please? Can you see this H1? Are you seeing this now? So you see, you think it, we create it just how you want it. You written with H1. That is because we want it to be the first thing. We want it to be bold and big. You understand now? So by the end of this training, you'll be able to design something like this. Don't worry. So you see this other one. This one too is kind of bold, but not as big as the first one. Why are people from all over the world choosing to work with us? So this was written in H2. You understand?
Yes.
So can you tell me what this one is written on? This project manager is trusted, built for you, global expertise. Can you tell me what it's written on?
I think that should be that H3 or H4.
This is H4. Okay.
Yeah.
Then this is H3. This download project manager. This one is H3. You understand? Yeah. So now, depending on the kind of emphasis you want to create, that determines the kind of heading you use. We have just 1 minute for this link to end. So once it ends, I'll drop another link so that you guys can join. So depending on the kind of emphasis you want to create, that determines the heading you're using. So if you want the emphasis to be